your father, called as Paramatma. That is why that Upasana is very, very important. To become the Paramatma is the most important aspect of the life. That is why, that is the Nitya Karma which every person has to do to become the Paramatma, to achieve the Paramatma. Travel in that path. That is why that path is called as Pranavasya Parabrahmarche. That is why it is called as Nitya Sandhyavadana. So Devatarchana is not Nitya, it can be optional, but Sandhyavadana is a must. It means we must teach them through the Yoga Shastra how to do the Sandhyavadana. This knowledge has been lost, consequently we are not getting the desired results. So the aim of my life is to put the person's back on this field, whether a man or a woman, whether he is a Christian or an Islam, has to make his energy to flow within the physical body. We have only named it as Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara. These are not the deities of the Hindus or anything like that. The sun is named Brahma, the Agni is named Vishnu, Vyapaka Agni Shakti Hi Vai Vishnu. The physical matter is called Ishvara. The matter aspiring to become energy is called as Shiva. When the energy is lost by the matter, it is called Shiva. When the matter gains energy, it is called Shiva. Shiva is an internal flow of energy, Shiva is an external flow of energy. So these are all must be taken as the terminologies pertaining to the science. So you must explain what is Anjaneya, what is Bharati, everything in the physical body. And this is how the body has been constructed. So at the end of the conclusion, the man is a miniature Brahmanda. Every man possesses the soul. Every man is activated by a common process. Whether getting into the soul and activating the soul is one process, that is also common. Is also common. As at what is common is called as Dharma. So Dharma aims at strengthening the universe. Dharma aims at strengthening the nature. Dharma aims at strengthening every human being. As such, to take care of the nature, increasing the strength of the nature is called Shrota Yajna. Increasing the strength of the self and the body is called as Smarta Yajna, which probably I will be covering in one of these lectures. What is the Shrota and Smarta? How the concept of Yajnas has come. Everything is Yajna. Why Brahmopadesha has been done? These processes will be explained. So thank you so much. Thank you. Soul of the monkey or a donkey is the same as that of the human. I am going to answer this question, what is called as evolution of soul. If soul is energy, the energy always activates the matter, consequently the life comes into the picture. Darwin speaks of the matter producing another matter. No. We don't recognize it. We recognize the body, the father and the mother only donates the body. Father and mother donates the body. The soul is yours. Because the soul cannot be created, soul cannot be destroyed. So the soul that is present in you is only yours, not somebody else. But the body's donor is father and mother. So father and mother must be taken as the donor of the body. That is why one brother is very intelligent, another person is not intelligent. Why? The difference in quantum of energy of the soul. One brother will not be like another brother. One brother may be an extraordinarily good person. Another person must be extraordinarily bad. It is not that your father and mother were bad or good. They got a soul. They gave a body, that's all. As such we say, please know that the donor of this body is your father and mother. Dedicate this body to your father and mother. But the body also is energized by the soul. Please think this soul is the one which gives you strength for the next life also. If you are old, you are looked after by the sun. As such you protect him, make him grow, add strength in him. Similarly, when you take life after life, who is the sun? The Veda says, Atma vai putranamosi. Atma vai putranamosi. How the sun is to be looked after. Then they wrote the story of what is called as Ramayana from the Mantra Brahmana. I will take this Ramayana also and tell Atma vai putranamosi. So Darwin theory is a nonsense theory.
That's what from the Vedic point of view.
No. From the point of view of science. We have not seen any monkey to become a man. Have you seen?
No, the evolution, I mean,
No, the evolution,
scientifically,
okay.
I believe in that.
Not the evolution.
Yeah.
If evolution,
Uh-huh.
it means if the evolution,
Uh-huh.
if it were to take forward, then what the monkey was previously?
I mean, I cannot explain like you, but I have been.
No, no,
otherwise,
I am telling
certainly there was a one cell to what we are today.
No,
It was an
no,
evolution.
The man was, the Darwin theory based on a principle, an ignorant person became a man. The present man is more knowledgeable. If that is the case, the Jesus Christ must have been an ignorant man and these people are worshipping him. We have got a theory in which we say the knowledgeable person took birth first. Now from knowledge to we are going for ignorance. We will explain how these things. That is called as Shabda Shastra. We say, supposing I say, sir, I want to remember and write things. 2 into 4 is 8. How many people will write 2 into 4 is 8? Is it necessary? No, because I can remember that. I am not going to write. I write only when I can't remember. Earlier, the man had an extraordinary capacity. Consequently, he was not writing anything in this world. Srinivas Bhatt used to tell me something, I used to remember and I can repeat it again. That was the capacity of the man. What happens to this writing? Sir, I lost the knowledge of remembering, so I needed writing, sir. Can I note down? Okay. Then what is writing, he said. He simply replied, sir, I have no remember capacity. ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂದಂತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಂತೆ ಬರಹ ಅಂತಂತೆ. ಏನಂದ್ರಂತೆ? ಬರ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರಹ. So the man was able to visualize and understand everything without that. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ the man was working beyond velocity of light in the beginning. How he has retorted back at that theory will advance, that is the theory of the Vedas. As I have seen that my child need not be an intelligent, if that is the case, if father and the mother were to evolve a child, the child must be much more intelligent than the father and the mother. But we know that Panditasya Putraha, Pandita. If Darwin theory is to be told, Panditasya Putraha must be Pandita only. Because the theory of soul is absent in the Darwin theory. That is why we explain what is called as theory of soul. Probably, I do not know whether the subject has been included or not. I will definitely give the theory of souls for you. How the soul is evolved, how the soul takes into picture, what are all the various constituents of the soul, how the knowledge is activated, how the mind is activated, how the indriyas are activated, how the physical body is activated. It is called as Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya and Vijnanamaya. How these koshas, that is cells, the structures at which it is done, then what the soul contains. So this particular subject I will take, so that we can tell the difference between the soul of a plant, the soul of an animal, different animals having different types of souls, and the human body. Even though human body is comprised of the same type of soul, the quantum of energy between the soul to soul will be different. So that I will explain. And how to increase that quantum of energy so that all the persons in the world must become like his father. My father is Paramatma. So that is the eternal energy level which we have to go. So we move from Paramatma to this level, from this level back to Paramatma. This we call it as evolution. So in the evolution period, we were the highest. When the Paramatma created, he used the purest form of matter. Consequently, we can travel across the universe without elapsation of time. That was how the man was. Since he lost using those faculties, now he is present today. So the wish is, the man must become an Athindriya Gnani. Get back to your original state is the theory of which we advance. Whereas Darwin advances, you were an animal, now you have come to this state, so there is an improvement in you. But we say, no, we have gone back to animation. We must behave like a man, not like an animal. So the man has not been evolved from animal to man. The man is a man. The man must evolve and become the Paramatma with the ultimate theory of the Vedic philosophy, which I will advance everything only through science. I will not talk anything beyond science because the man has evolved. Not today, 13 crores of years back. That also we speak called as Vaivasvata Manvantara, that is story of the Vaivasvata Manvantara. The first, the Akasha took birth called as Swayambhu Manvantara, then the air took birth called as Swarojisa Manvantara, then the Agni, that is the hydrogen